Alright folks, morning. So we've been up cooking from about 5 a.m. this morning. We have gotten more paella pans. As you can see, we already have stuff on. So far, since morning, it's now 7:15. So we're gonna have about 5,000 meals out by 7:15. More pans, more energy. Lots of work to do, and yeah, World Central Kitchens, you know, here helping Jamaica relief from Hurricane Melissa. A lot of people have been affected. You know, there's Chef Win doing his thing, Chef over there handling his business, Chef right here. You know, he has been handling a lot of the hospital type work, you know, hospital clean stuff. So he has been doing low sodium food and all of that. What's your name, Chef?
Lenford Ricketts.
Lenford Ricketts.
Yeah.
Remember that name?
Yeah.
Greatness. All right.
Yeah.
So, yeah, so we're doing this. And these guys are getting the new pots ready. What's it? Ready? Yeah, ready for cooking, brother? Yo, what go on? Ready. All right. Yeah, man, because we're on our way to 20,000 meals. All right. By next week, we're trying to do 40,000, right? These pots takes a lot of muscle, right? So all those guys that are like in the gym every day, all buffed and stuff, yeah, we could use your muscle down here. Stir some of these pots, all right? Let's do it.